If you see me for the first time, this is Phil back with a professional painter and decorator, and we're at ScrewFix Live down at Farnborough. This is 2025. Now, I'm over with Stuart on the UltraGrime stand. Now, if you've not heard of UltraGrime, they're a hand wipe specialist product. So I just thought there was one multi-purpose pack of hand wipes that you could get, but coming to the stand today, I'm seeing more than just the blue and black packaging. So Stuart is going to explain it to me. We'll do 1, 2, 3. I've told him he's got to do it in under 5 minutes, which he will do. Hi Stuart, nice to meet you.
Hiya, nice to meet you.
What have you got for us? What are these products?
Right, so we are UltraGrime. We are cloth wipes. Our wipes are twice the size of other wipes available on the market. Our wipes will not dry out. You can take that out of the pack. You can use it. You can leave it for an hour. You can come back to it and it'll still be ready to use. Plenty of products available, so you can see from how much is on the shelf. There's multi-use. That's the go-to one. That's everybody's favourite. You'll find that in most work vans. We've got Power Scrub. Power Scrub has an abrasive texture to one side. When you've got a job where silicones, paints, oils, grease, something a bit more heavy to get rid of, that's when you go to your Power Scrub. Down the bottom here, we've got Anti-Bac, great for your surfaces, around the kitchen, around the house. That's my go-to wipe. I do a lot of cooking at home, so I've always got a pack of that handy. It's biodegradable. That wipe, use that. Within 6 months, there's nothing left of the wipe, so helping save the environment. We've got Extreme. Extreme came out about a year ago. It's a fairly new product. It's the only one we do which is solvent-based. As such, it's designed to take out graffiti, gum, marker pen. It's a problem-solving wipe. So you've tried everything else. You've tried sprays. You've tried whatever else you've got your hands on. You turn to Extreme, it will do the job for you. And then finally, down the bottom, a few packs left. They've been very popular today as our glass and stainless steel wipes. 50 in a pack of those. A little drier than other wipes that we do in the range, but ideal for, glass and stainless steel around the house, but also in vehicles, brilliant on the cars. So
it's probably something that you're not using all the time like you would do with the bigger packs that every day you'll be getting a couple out at a time. You'll probably say to yourself, I want to clean my Range Master stainless steel cooker and I'll do it once a month or every 6 months. You don't need a big pack of that, do you?
That's it. That's the thinking behind both the new products. The Extreme, you're not going to be using an Extreme wipe every single day because you're not going to be encountering that problem every single day. Glass wipes, there's very few people who clean their glass every single day. Yeah. So a pack of those are going to last as long as a pack of multi-use. So
we always come down to money because it's always nice. What sort of price do these retail at? I know you sell elsewhere. This is ScrewFix we're at the moment. What are we looking at? 5, 10, 15 quid?
Multi-use, we've got them on offer today at £11 for a pack. Yeah. So that's a 15% discount. The Power Scrub, a bit more. They're about another 70p on top, so they're about 11.80ish. Extreme is our most expensive one. That is going out for £15.29.
Yeah.
So yeah, ballpark figures. Most people who stock our product, you're looking anywhere between £10 and £15 for a pack.
It's about an hourly rate for the trade, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It's about,
although
you want about PAYE, not subbies and stuff.
That's what they tell the tax man.
Yeah, that's right. Well,
do
you know what? You said you were a bit nervous about going on camera. No problem whatsoever. Thank you very much for that.
No worries.
It's been a bit interesting because I did only think you did the multi-use.
Yeah.
But you've got more in the range than I first thought. So I'll shake your hand. Thank you very much. And I might see you at the painting and decorating show if you exhibit this year.
Brilliant stuff.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, mate.
Cheers.